Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing 10 foods that can help improve your immune system. The immune system is responsible for fighting off infections and keeping us healthy. So, including these foods in your diet can help boost your immunity and keep you healthy. Let's get started. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are rich in vitamin C, which helps improve the production of white blood cells in the body. These white blood cells are essential in fighting off infections. Berries. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are packed with antioxidants and vitamin C. They help in protecting the body against harmful free radicals and also help in improving the immune system. Garlic. Garlic has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. It contains sulfur compounds that help improve the immune system by increasing the production of white blood cells. Ginger. Ginger is another food that has been used for its medicinal properties for centuries. It contains gingerol, which has anti-inflammatory properties and helps in boosting the immune system. Spinach. Spinach is a great source of vitamin C, antioxidants, and beta-carotene, which are all essential for improving the immune system. It also contains iron, which helps in producing red blood cells. Almonds. Almonds are rich in vitamin E, which is an antioxidant that helps in protecting the body against harmful free radicals. They also contain healthy fats and protein, which are essential for maintaining a healthy immune system. Turmeric. Turmeric is a spice that contains curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory properties. It also helps in improving the immune system by increasing the production of white blood cells. Yogurt. Yogurt contains probiotics, which are healthy bacteria that help in maintaining a healthy gut. A healthy gut is essential for a healthy immune system. Green tea. Green tea is packed with antioxidants that help in protecting the body against harmful free radicals. It also contains a compound called epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, which helps in improving the immune system. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, which is essential for improving the immune system. They also contain vitamin A, which helps in maintaining healthy skin and mucous membranes. So, these are 10 foods that can help improve your immune system. Including these foods in your diet can help boost your immunity and keep you healthy. As always, it's important to maintain a balanced and healthy diet along with regular exercise to maintain a healthy immune system. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching.